Hello everybody! This is Rachel from Rachel Bennett School of Bellydance, and my free tutorials are here for you because I'm on a mission to enhance your dance. Now, in my last tutorial I was giving you an idea about how to cover fast sections of music. This is another idea. Now this one has been inspired by both Tahia Carioca and Semra Gamal, who are two of my belly dance heroines from the golden age of Egyptian cinema. And this is what I like to call pitter-patter feet. So not a tutu. A tutu is going into a shimmy. This is just keeping your weight nice and light. Think about your weight being up in your chest, you're nice and light on your feet, and you're doing alternate stepping very close together, pitter-patter feet. Now with pitter-patter feet, you're marking the music and you can draw a figure-8 shape with your feet and I love adding snake arms to this move. It's something that I do in my choreographies and sometimes improvising to a fast piece of music. But you can also take it around in a circle and the other way. So you can think about using it to layer up over classic Egyptian dance moves and belly dance shapes in general. I hope that helps you enhance your dancing, and I hope it helps you tackle fast sections of the music when you're writing your own choreography or you're improvising. Now if you'd like a free belly dance workout with me, hop over to rachelbellydancer.com and find out about our festival of workshops. Just come to bellydanceheaven.com. I look forward to seeing you there. Okay everyone, bye bye.